Hello and welcome back to another HWM Caterham video. Today I'm here to present to you this lovely bit of new stock. This is a 2015 420R in the S3 format with lowered floors. Originally registered in July of 2015, it also comes with two previous owners. It's finished in this lovely platinum silver with orange double stripes and black pinstripe. And it's covered just shy of 4,000 miles. Let's have a walk around together and talk about some of the spec. So this car was originally a 360R but did have the relevant power upgrade to bring it up to 420R specification in September 2018, and that was done with PT Sports Cars. The full invoice is in with the service history as well. Speaking of service history, the last service was done in November of 2024, only 100 miles ago as well. So onto the actual car itself. This car does come with a great specification, and also the previous owner has really looked after it because there is some PPF on here. So on the nose cone, it comes up to just halfway on there and it has absorbed some stone chips already. It also does have it following down on the side skins, but we'll get to that a little bit later on. Some of the spec is you do have the LED front light, which is quite a cool and modern specification to pick, and also the clear lens pack. So moving on down to the side of the Caterham, and it is a really nice looking side profile. The wheels on this one are the 13-inch Apollo finished in gloss black, wrapped around in Avon ZZS, and those have plenty of tread left as well, so ready for this summertime of fun. It's on the side exit exhaust pipe, which is a standard spec on these cars, has been specced with the optional master battery cut-off switch, and has the full doors and weather protection as well. There was also a recent change, whereas the cage was updated from the track day roll bar to having the easy access track day cage, so it's in really good condition as it's only a couple of years old, and obviously it is another upgrade on the specification. Moving on further down, you do have the black pack on this car, so the headlights around are in black. You've also got the carbon stone guards and the black filler cap, as well as the windscreen finished in black. Now moving on down to the rear, so we're just going to touch base as well from the PPF I mentioned earlier. It does have it on both side panels for both driver and passenger, and also half the wheel arch at the rear is covered in PPF. So the primary areas as to where you normally get stone chips have been protected and is looking in great condition. The rear itself has been specced with the carbon boot vinyl cover, which does match up quite nicely to the rest of the carbon bits, especially in the interior. And it does have the standard lights, but you can upgrade these. We can also negotiate that as part of a sale to put the LED lights on there as well to bring it to a more modern look. Moving us on to the interior of the car, and the specification doesn't end here. Especially in the cabin, there's been a lot of good options that have been put on here. Starting off the wheel, you've got the suede quick release steering wheel, which is from Momo, as per usual on normal Caterhams, and this one looks like it was replaced fairly recently, as there's barely any signs of wear and tear on this one. The seats are your standard comfort seats, which again can be changed as well if you wanted the carbon buckets or the standard GRP tillets. Moving on down further to the centre tunnel, it's wrapped around in carbon vinyl to match the boot, and also this lovely dash, which is a standard dash layout finished in gloss carbon. And again, interior condition, I mean, it really is good for a car that's nearly 11 years old now. So that brings us to the end of the video on this stunning 420R S3. If you want to find out anything more about the specification or the service history, or you just want to come down to have a look at it, then please do so by giving us a call on 01932 240 611, or by visiting the link in the website down below. Thank you for watching.